Get ready for the unplugged magic. Winky D's Tete-a-Tete concept takes over Alex Sports Club on August 30th, 2025. Mark your calendars, Zimbabwe. The Ninja President, Winky D, has just dropped some exciting news that's sure to send ripples of anticipation across the nation. Prepare for a unique and intimate musical experience as he unveils his Tete-a-Tete concept concert, slated for August 30th, 2025, at the legendary Alex Sports Club. For years, Winky D's high-energy performances have captivated massive audiences, delivering powerful Zimdancehall anthems with his signature flair. But this time, the landscape is shifting. Tete-a-Tete, which translates to face-to-face, or intimate conversation, hints at a different kind of encounter with the musical maestro. The choice of Alex Sports Club as the venue is particularly intriguing, suggesting a more relaxed, open-air setting perfectly suited for this unique and stripped-down performance. While details are still emerging, the name itself suggests a more acoustic or storytelling-driven performance. Imagine Winky D, not just blasting hits from the stage, but engaging with the audience on a more personal level. Could we expect acoustic renditions of our favorite tracks? Perhaps deeper dives into the inspiration behind his powerful lyrics? Or maybe even a chance for more direct interaction with the artist himself, all under the stars at Alex Sports Club. This concept is a departure from the large-scale, high-octane shows we've come to associate with Winky D, and the prospect is incredibly intriguing. It speaks to an artist confident enough to explore different facets of his musicality and connect with his fans in a new and meaningful way. The vibe of the chosen venue complements this perfectly, promising an atmosphere of close connection and heartfelt conversation. One thing is for sure, Winky D has a knack for delivering unforgettable experiences. Whether it's a stadium-shaking performance or an intimate gathering, his artistry and stage presence are undeniable. The Tete-a-Tete concept at Alex Sports Club promises to be a unique and unmissable event on the Zimbabwean musical calendar for 2025. So, start making your plans. Keep your ears to the ground for more details about ticketing and the specific format of this exciting new concept. One thing's for certain. August 30th, 2025, will be a date to remember for Winky D fans as they get ready for a Tete-a-Tete with the Ninja President. What are your hopes and expectations for Winky D's Tete-a-Tete concert at Alex Sports Club? Share your thoughts in the comments below.